This is a training video on core talks in the Tailored Talks system. Core talks are groups of slides ordered to support a structured conversation with a patient on certain topics. Some core talks do not require any tailoring to the individual and can quickly be shared or added to your own tailored talks. These talks have been created by clinicians and can either be shared as they are or combined with other talks to speed up and simplify the process of sharing information with patients. Other core talks, usually identified by having "to select from" at the end of their title, are groups of ordered slides on a topic where you need to select only those slides which are relevant to your patient. To access the list of core talks you have access to, click on the main navigation menu in the top left-hand corner. This opens a list where you can select core talks, taking you to the core talks page. Here you will find a list of all the core talks that your user ID gives you access to. You can see the talk title, a short description, the talk status, that is whether it has been saved as draft or published, and the name of the person who created it. Note that some of them include "to select from" in the title. Further to the right, that there are various buttons and menus that enable you to view and share the talk. In the Edit drop-down menu, you can have the option to edit the talk, if your user permissions allow, publish or unpublish it. To unpublish a talk is to return it to draft format so it can no longer be shared, and to add or remove it as a favourite. Adding it as a favourite means that the talk will be easy to locate in the event you wish to share it either unchanged or edited slightly with other patients in the future. In the View or Share menu, there are options to view the talk, view it as a slideshow, download a PDF or print-friendly version, copy a link to the talk, email it to a patient, or send it to a patient's portal. You can learn more about how these sharing options work in Video 3, Viewing and Sharing Talks. To the left of the drop-down menus, there is a button labelled Create New Talk from This. Clicking on this takes you into the Create a Talk process. This is covered in Video 2, Create a Talk, but there are a few differences when tailoring a core talk, so we will go through it here as well. You will be taken to the Talk Details screen, where you should add the new talk title, description and department before clicking Next. Then choose the privacy settings and again click Next. When you reach the Slide Library screen, you will see that in the preview pane, the core talk slides have already been added to the new tailored talk. You can open the talk in preview mode to check it over and delete any slides you do not wish to include. It is also possible to add core talks or extra slides from the slide library, as shown in Video 2, Create a Talk. Once you are happy with the slides you have in your new tailored talk, you can either save as draft or save and publish. We would encourage you to familiarise yourself with the core talks available in the system. Using them can really save you time when sharing information on specific topics. If you have any questions or comments about the information shared in this video or about the core talks section of Tailored Talks, please feel free to email helpdesk@tailored-talks.com, where a member of the POGO team will be able to help you.